Looking for backwater valve maintenance, service and repair in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how crucial it is to protect your home from sewer backups and costly damage. Our expert team specialises in keeping your backwater valve in top condition, ensuring it works efficiently to safeguard your property. Whether you need routine maintenance or emergency repairs, we've got you covered. In Strathcona County, where unpredictable weather can strain drainage systems, having a reliable backwater valve is essential. That's why we offer fast, affordable and trusted solutions tailored to your needs. With Kingstree Plumbing, you can count on experienced professionals, transparent pricing and 24/7 availability. Don't wait for an issue to arise. Call us today at Kingstree Plumbing, the dependable backwater valve service in Strathcona County.